Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. So my dear viewers, I'm going to share with you some tips. That tips is very important for you to speak English fluently, to learn English. If you are very interested to learn English, so you can watch the video. That tips will be very helpful for you, I guess. So some people are commenting in my comment box and they're saying that, brother, how much time do I need for learning English? How much days do I need for learning English? How many months do I need for learning English? I'll say that exactly you don't need so much time, you don't need so many months, you don't need so many years. So how you can learn English? It's very question, right? It's very easy question. And when I started to learn English, it was another question for me. So I overcome this question. That is, it is not exactly a number of months, a number of days, a number of years. So it will be overcome day by day. You have to follow some process. That is, every day you have to listen at least 5 hours listening. You have to listen 5 hour English. It's easy English part. All time I say that try to listen easy English. Never listen advanced English at the first time when you are beginner life. When you are beginner, when you are trying to learn English at the first time, try to listen easy English. So from where you can get the easy English, I told about that before. That is, you can watch some more cartoon video. It's very easy English cartoon video. You can watch the movie, easy movie, easy English movie. The pronunciation is very good, American accent. And which accent do you like? It can be British accent, it can be American accent, as your wish. Which accent do you like? So try to follow that accent. Okay, and there are so many videos that are available on YouTube, and you can watch the native English speakers video and you can follow that. And after pausing, you can repeat and you can listen the question and you can answer the question. Pause the video and answer the question. Okay, so in this video, another thing I will share with you, that is, try to listening every day. You can practice as well in your reading room. You can practice as well in your area, in the outside. It can be anything. Okay, so I will show you how to practice in your area. So you can follow some academic English book. It's easy English book, that is class 1 to 10. I will suggest you at the first time from the class 1 to 10 English book. It's a text, okay, text paper English book. That is easy English book. And today I will read a story from here, and I will try to share with you how to you will learn from your house. Okay, so let's start. So listen carefully. The Shad Gambus Masjid is a topic about the Shad Gambus Masjid, and about the article, and about the any article you can speak. You can adjust, you can listen at the first time, you can read at the first time, and then you can try to repeat again and again. Okay, so listen carefully. The Shad Gambus Masjid is a beautiful masjid. Okay, you can share with your feelings, and you can change the masjid name. You can say another masjid name instead of Shad Gambus Masjid. You can say that Baitul Mukarram Masjid is a beautiful masjid. Like that, you have changed so many times. You can change so many masjid, and in that way, this is the most important system. You can learn English easily. Okay, next sentence is it is big masjid. You can say that it's a small masjid. It's a big masjid. That means it's a huge masjid. It's not small, it's not tiny, it's a big masjid. It's a huge and big, the same thing. Okay, next, it has 60 pillars. So it has 60 pillars. So you can say it has 40 pillars, it has 50 pillars, it has 80 pillars. It's your wish. You have to change so many times for speaking. You have to say more and more. You have to increase your vocabulary. And 77 domes. Instead of 77 domes, you can say it has 50 domes. It has 40 domes. Okay, next sentence is this look white in the sun shine. this look white in the sunshine. You can say this look blue in the sunshine. This look yellow in the sunshine. This look red in the sunshine. Are you got it? How to practice, how to change? Okay, if you are got it, so try to practice like that in your reading room. Next, and golden at morn light night. And golden at morn light night. Next sentence is, many foreigners visit this masjid to see its nice shape and structure. So you can say that many foreigners visit this masjid. You can say many Bangladeshi visit this masjid. Many Indian people visit this masjid. Many Chinese people visit this masjid. Okay, try to practice like that. Next, Khan Jahan Ali is the founder of it. That means Khan Jahan Ali made this masjid. So Khan Jahan Ali is the founder of this masjid. You can say Arif is the founder of this masjid. Rakib is the founder of this masjid. Okay, next sentence is, this is historic masjid is in the district of Bagherhat. You can say this is the historic masjid is in the district of Kumilla, is in the district of Sylhet. So in such a way you can practice in your reading room. You can make a lots of sentence. This is the very easy system. There are so many easy book class 1 to 10. So try to follow this easy English book and every day try to make sentence, changing the name, changing the verb. Try to make sentence and say, try to say loudly. When you will say loudly, I told you about that. When we'll say loudly, that time you'll get so many power in your body. Your power, your body muscles, and your positive activity and your fluent speaking comes from power. So try to act every day and try to say with loudly. When you are say, try to say loudly. So my dear viewers, again I'd like to thank all the viewers, and I think this video was very helpful for you. If you found this video was little bit helpful for you, so never forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and to share with your friends. If you share it, it will be more helpful for me, because at the first time I'm trying to make this video. And try to share the video with your friends. Your friend will get the benefit and I will be the benefit also. And leave a comment. Without comment, never leave the video. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you very soon with another video. Allah Hafiz.